I'm Alexander Turnbull, and it's that time of year again. It's Halloween! And this right here is my little friend Amber. Amber is my daughter, and Amber loves Halloween, don't you, Amber?
Yeah.
So, what we're going to do today is we're going to put a wig on Amber, and then Amber is going to stand up on here and show you how amazing she looks. So this is Elsie in Sea Glass R. Amber is going to be the pumpkin princess. Yay! Happy Halloween! Yay! So which one do you like the best, Amber?
Pink one.
Do you love Halloween? So do I.
Pumpkin princess.
Pumpkin Princess! Halloween is probably one of my favourite holidays. Other than Christmas, I absolutely love it. I've got Kayla in Marble Brown LR. So this is really going to give a complete difference to obviously who I am and for my spooky look today. So I look quite rock and roll for a skeleton, I think, like the Skeleton King. So I'm going to go with a fun style, and I'm going to do a spider. This Kayla piece is lace fronted, so I'm going to take the hair back, gathering this up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, look at all the different things that we do. I've got loads of hints and tips about wigs, but today we're just going to have a little bit of fun. Gather the hair up, and I'm just going to get the bun ring, and I'm going to put the hair through the bun ring. I've left half of it down a little bit at the back. I'm just brushing the hair over the bun ring. I'm just being quite gentle when I'm doing this, just moving that around, creating a bun up top. Just getting a little bobby pin there. You can use these big pins here as well. So there we have our spider body. Now for the legs, I've got some pipe cleaners. Take the pipe cleaner, first one in, like so. I'm just feeding these through. So one pipe cleaner makes two legs on either side. So this is why, guys, why I wanted you to be quite loose when you were putting the body together, because you're gonna have to tighten it up at the end, because we're literally just feeding these pipe cleaners through right now. I'm just gonna now bend these legs a little bit. I love doing things like this, you know. Being creative and being artistic is so much fun, but you know, a little bit of fun, not taking ourselves too seriously all the time is even better. I'm going to come back in with some more securing pins. Okay, now this is wig tape or toupee tape, or you can use normal double-sided tape. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, and here I've got some eyes. Stick a bit of the tape to the back of the eye. I'm just going to stick that on, just put my fingers behind the hair and stick that on, and there we have it, a spider in the hair. I'm just going to mess this texture up a little bit. There's our spider, there's his legs. Now that is one of the most beautiful wigs ever that has just become my Halloween costume, and see with that lace front, it's just worked so nicely. So that was a really quick and fun style from me, Alexander Turnbull, at René of Paris. Hope you've enjoyed it today. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube, check us out on Instagram. Don't forget to check out Danny, the amazing Texas Wig Fairy, and of course our gorgeous Abby for more tips on wigs, whether it's dealing with hair loss, whether it's something a little bit fun, whether it's styling tips or just anything in the world of wigs. Get in touch and we'll see you next time. And from me and the spider, have a great Halloween. Bye bye.